So, good morning all. Today we are going to discuss about the cells in series and parallel. So, there are so many systems in which a single cell may not give that much current which is required, or a single cell may not give that much voltage which is required. Say, suppose you are starting your car. So, the battery of the car should be able to produce that much current which is required by the horn, which is required by the headlight, or which is required by the starting of the car, starting of the engine, starting of the motor. So all these devices need current, for which we need to put a lot of the arrangement of cells inside the battery should be accordingly, so that whatever current different devices need, we should get that current, we should get that voltage, right? So that is why rather than taking a single cell, we take a combination of cells. So that cell could be, that cell could be cells in series or cells in parallel. So now we are going to study about 5 different combinations. So very basic we will study first. The most basic ones are cells in, the most basic ones are cells in series. So first of all, we will take 2 cells in series, then we will take any number of n cells in series, right? 2 for series, basic for 2 cells, and then so many cells in series. Similarly, basic for 2 cells in parallel, then we will take so many number of cells in parallel, and finally we will study about so many cells which is in mixed grouping. कुछ series में, कुछ parallel में, कुछ series और parallel दोनों में है. So today we are going to study about 5 types of combinations, right? So starting with the first one, right? So the first one is cells in series. Very basic. We are taking simply 2 cells and they are connected in series. So we have taken E1. Again and again I am telling you, you always have to make E like this for EMF and not like this, because it represents the electric field. So what we have done, we have taken 2 cells, E1 and E2, connected in series. Series matlab plus minus, right? It could be also like this, plus minus plus, positive negative positive, ऐसे भी हो सकता है series में, right? The only thing is ये जो भी आप second ले रहे हो, अगर ये E1 है और ये E2 है, तो E2 का जो साइन है वो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, नथिंग एल्स. So suppose we have taken 2 cells E1 and E2 in series. Their internal resistance is R1 and R2. We have studied about internal resistance yesterday. So their internal resistance is R1 and R2. Now after combination they will behave like a single cell. से हमने 2 सेल लगाए 1.5 वोल्ट के. So जब हमने कंबाइन कर दिया उसको, तो वो एक बड़ा सेल बन गया of EMF 3 volts. So similarly this combination behave as the equivalent cell of EMF E and equivalent internal resistance REQ or equivalent resistance, right? So what are the values directly for 2 cells? Now we are only discussing about 2 cells, right? So equivalent EMF will be E1 plus E2. We will simply add. अगर opposite order में लगे, इसका plus पहले, इसका minus पहले, then this becomes E1 minus E2, right? Equivalent resistance will be R1 plus R2. For this as well as for this. In this case, EMF would be E equivalent will be E1 minus E2, but R equivalent remains same. Resistance will always be added, right? So E equivalent becomes E1 minus E2. अभी हमने एक और लगा दिया, plus E3 plus E4 minus E5. So depending on what terminal of the cell you are taking, you will decide the sign. But whenever they are in series, resistance will always be added. ऐसा नहीं है यहाँ पे R plus 2 हो गया, यहाँ पे R minus 2 हो गया. It will be R1 plus R2 plus R3 and so on. So that is how we take the combination of cells in series. Here we are talking about simply 2 cells, right? Now similarly, second combination will study about cells in parallel. I hope the board is visible. Second is cells in parallel. Now what in parallel, what we do, rather than plus minus, we take all the plus together. All the positive terminal will be joined at one end, connected at one end, and all the negative terminals will be connected at one end. So इसका पॉजिटिव, इसका पॉजिटिव, थर्ड का पॉजिटिव, फोर्थ का, ऑल पॉजिटिव्स एट वन एंड, all negatives at one end. So that is how we say that the cells are in parallel. In दो points का EMF will be same, right? But source EMF will be same. So this is the individual EMF of E1, this is the individual EMF of E2, right? So this behaves as the equivalent cell of EMF E1 R2 plus E2 R1 divided by R1 plus R2. Equivalent resistance is given by R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Similarly, the way we take in parallel में भी ऐसे लेते हैं ना, 1 upon RP is 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Taking LCM, R1 R2, R2 plus R1. So RP का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा, इसका इनवर्स R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2, right? So this is the direct value of product upon sum. Whenever we have two resistances in parallel, directly इन दोनों का product करेंगे R1 R2 divided by their sum. That is the direct formula we use. So this is two cells in series and this is two cells in parallel. Now coming to the third type. Now we are talking about yes. Now we are talking about n identical cells. N identical cells in series. Identical means their EMF will be same and their internal resistance will also be same. Say suppose torch and all, you take 1.5 वोल्ट के 4 सेल लगाते हो आप, 1.5 प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस, सो दैट किसी भी टॉर्च को या किसी भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट को, विच इज मे बी अ टॉय, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक टॉय, इट वर्क्स ऑन 4 cells, generally 4 cells or 6 cells का combination. So you connect them in series. So we have taken n identical cells in series, 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, how many cells? N cells. EMF of all the cells is E. Internal resistance of all the cells is R. And they are connected to the external resistance, capital R. That is how the combination works. For any system, whenever you are using so many cells in series, that is how they need an external resistance for the overall flow. So in सबका internal resistance is small r, same, and EMF is E. And how many cells? कितने cells हैं ऐसे? N cells हैं, right? So now we will find the EMF, the total resistance, and the current flowing through the combination. That we are going to study, right? So let us find the net EMF first. Net EMF will be E plus E plus E plus up to n times. So what will be the net EMF? Net EMF would be n times E. Agree? Net EMF would be n times E. Right? So this is the net EMF. Now coming to the total resistance. Total resistance. अभी total resistance all are in series, R plus R plus R plus R up to n times. So what will be the total resistance? ये पूरे ग्रुप का total resistance क्या हो जाएगा? n times R. But there is a capital R also. There is an external resistance also. So what will be the total resistance? R plus R plus R up to n times. ये हो गया NR plus capital R. So what is the total resistance? N times R plus capital R. This is the total resistance of the cell, right? How do we find current? Current in series will be V is equals to IR. I is potential upon R. So net EMF upon total resistance will be the current in series. NE upon NR plus R. This is the current in series. Right, children? This is the current in series. Yes. Now, if we compare it with a single cell, for a single cell, एक सेल की हम बात करें तो I कितना होगा, N नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे, E upon R plus R. Agreed or not? We are talking about only this cell. तो इसका resistance कितना होगा, internal plus external, E divided by internal plus external. This is the current passing through a single cell, right? Now, we have so many situations in which the external resistance is more. We have so many situations in which the internal resistance is more. जैसे when we are starting the car, the motor needs current, the horn needs current, the headlight needs current, your music system needs current. So ये सब, इन सबको ज्यादा current चाहिए, right? They work on more amount of current. It means their internal resistance is less. Whenever we are starting the car, we are using the car. In that case, सबका अलग-अलग devices are consuming different current. It means their internal resistance is obviously more current means their internal resistance is less. Their internal resistance is less means external resistance will be more in order to generate that much EMF, right? So we are discussing a case in which external could be more, internal could be less, or external could be less, internal could be more. Say you are using a torch. Torch का bulb hardly gives you any light, very less. So torch का bulb is giving less current means it has more external resistance and internal resistance. Sorry, torch is giving very less light. It means its internal resistance is high and external is less. So we will discuss both the cases. So many situations where we need to have internal resistance is less and external more. But there are so many situations in which external resistance is less and internal resistance is more, right? So we will discuss case 1 when external resistance R is much greater than internal resistance R, right? We are discussing that case when n identical cells are connected in series and external is much higher than internal. The example of car I gave you, every component is using, every part is using their own current. So internal resistance of all those devices is less, but external resistance is more, right? So current due to single cell. अभी ये R का वैल्यू नेग्लिजिबल है और कैपिटल R का वैल्यू एग्जिस्ट, तो इसको हम जीरो मान लेंगे. सो करंट ड्यू टू सिंगल सेल हमने अभी पढ़ा है, एक सेल में कितना करंट होगा, E बाय R प्लस R. अभी ये तो नेग्लिजिबल है, सो करंट ड्यू टू सिंगल सेल कितना हो जाएगा, करंट ड्यू टू सिंगल सेल विल बी E अपॉन कैपिटल R ओनली, राइट? सो current in series will be, abhi this is negligible, so this is negligible means this whole terms becomes negligible. NE upon R, NE upon R. So what does it concludes? What does it concludes? It concludes that whenever we are connecting n identical cells in series, so एक सेल का करंट होता है E बार, बट अगर हम n सेल्स लगा ले तो उसका करंट हमें ज्यादा मिलेगा, right? So whenever we are connecting n cells in series, the overall current, provided that external is more, internal is less, overall current will increase. Current increases when these are connected in series, right? Now we'll talk about the second case, right? The second case is external is less but internal is more. Here we can write current increases. Second case, case 2. I hope this is visible. Yes, now we are discussing about second case when capital R is much less than the internal resistance R, right? Capital R is much less than the internal resistance R. So again we will find current due to single cell current due to single cell. So current due to single cell is E upon R plus R. Abhi capital R is, it could be ignored. So current due to single cell will become E upon what? Small r. Current due to single cell becomes E upon R. Right? And current in series becomes IS becomes, see what was IS? NE upon NR plus R. अभी देखो capital R is could be ignored. So what remains? NE upon NR. NE upon NR. What get cancelled out? N. What is the current now? E upon R. अभी एक चीज देखो, when external is less and internal resistance is more. एक सेल का करंट कितना था? E by R. आपने n सेल्स जोड़ दिए तो भी करंट कितना रहा? E by R. So it will not make any defect. It means current here is same. So in case you have external resistance less, internal more, even if you connect it in series, you are not going to make any difference in the current. You can make the difference in the current only if the external is more and internal is less. I hope this is clear to you.